Measure the pulley diameter, including the belt. Measure the belt cleaner pole length. Minimum pole length is structure width plus 2 inches or 50 millimeters. Locate the overall pulley diameter that most closely matches yours in the pre-installation check section of your FGP IOM. Use the corresponding X, Y, and C dimensions to locate the position of the cleaner pole. From the center of the pulley shaft, measure down the distance of the Y dimension and place a mark on the structure. From the Y location mark, measure away from the pulley the distance of the X dimension and mark this position. This is the C dimension and will be the location of the center of the pole. Measure the C dimension to verify that it is correct. On each side of the conveyor structure, cut a 1.75 inch or 44 millimeter diameter hole at the C dimension markings that locate the center of the pole. Temporarily assemble the FGP cleaner on the mounting structure, using the clamps to hold the cleaner in place. Verify the attack angle is correct by confirming a heel gap and confirm the blade contact across the entire width of the blade. Adjust the cleaner position as necessary. Once the cleaner position is verified, mark the locations of the 4 bolt holes. Remove the clamps and the cleaner from the conveyor structure and drill 4 5/16 inch or 8 millimeter bolt holes. Insert at least 3 bolts through the holes and attach standoffs on the outside portion of the conveyor structure. Attach the torsion housing bolts and standoffs. Install the torsion bushing on the pole. Position the pole through the torsion housing and through the mounting plate bushing on opposite side. Attach the loop end of the torsion spring to the torsion hub pin location. Insert the assembled torsion hub with torsion spring into the torsion housing and pull until the torsion hub is flush with the torsion housing. Attach the cleaning blade and tension to the conveyor belt by rotating the torsion hub towards the head pulley until the blade is making contact with the belt. Light tension should be felt in the torsion hub. Rotate the torsion hub farther to the desired number of notches for tension. 1 to 3 notches is the recommended tension. While holding the torsion hub in the tension preset position, tighten the thumb screw, ensuring that the location pin engages into the torsion hub hole. Once tensioned, confirm the proper attack angle and complete contact across the width of the belt. Test run the conveyor.